Hi everyone, today we're going to paint a blue heron at sunset, so let's get started. So I started with an 8x10 plain canvas and I used a fine Sharpie to sketch out my design. Once I'd finished the design with Sharpie and let it dry, I went over the whole canvas with water just to dampen the canvas, and then I started by adding some white paint and I'm brushing it completely over my horizon line over the whole design, and then I'm slowly adding yellow and working my way up to the top with a brighter yellow. I then repeat this for the water and reflecting the same colours. I then went over the oranges in my sunset and added some reds in a kind of sweeping motion, leaving the center of the canvas white, or as light as I could get it. Then dipped my finger in white paint and placed it carefully where I wanted my sun to be, lifted it off, and then with the remainder of the paint that was on my finger kind of wiggled it down for the reflection in the water. So let's start putting some of those features back in. So I went over my heron and the rocks that are in the foreground with black paint. I also emphasized the shadows on the bulrushes, the top of the bulrushes, with black paint, and these were the sides away from where my son was. I then added more black paint in the foreground for the grasses, but I actually added a bit of white and orange to fill in the sort of distant islands, just to give a feeling of space and perspective. Few white highlights and we're all done. Here's a quick selfie of my students today. You all did fabulous. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and click the like button and share with your friends. Donations are greatly appreciated but not expected and can be emailed to me at info@artfullyu.ca. Thanks, and I'll see you tomorrow.